Hey everyone, today we'll be working on a Broan BBN3306SS insert. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you if the lights would fail or the switch assembly, how to get at it. The first thing you do, always make sure you have your safety gear on. And the first thing you would do is you would remove the filters, and you do so by just pushing down on the filter clasp and take both of them out. Once the filters are removed, what you can do, this whole frame basically comes off, and what you would do is start by taking off the electrical box cover. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once the electrical box cover is off, what you can do is you can unplug the motor. And again, before you do anything, make sure power is off to the unit. There is a service switch located in the unit right here. If you turn it off, it cuts power to the unit. I recommend just turning it off from the breaker itself. To unplug this motor, just push down on this clasp here and pull down. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. So 4 screws. And this whole grill will come down, and I'm going to go ahead and take the 4 screws out. And that's 2. Three and 4. And what you would do is this whole grill assembly, if you grab onto it, I'm going to set it on its side here, will just slide out like so. If you take a look, all the main components are located on this board. I'm going to go ahead and push this back here. So you have the switch assembly, basically call that the user interface. You have the motor capacitor. You have the lights on the right and left side, the service switch you can get at to, and the main circuit board here. So everything is accessible. Everything's plug and play. It's a very simple unit to work on. When you take this grill out, the unit frame is still held in place. So it's very simple. You can just repeat the process for putting it back. And that's all it is. I hope this helps. Thanks.